Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be replacing windshield wipers. It's very simple. You just push on this little tab here, and that allows you to slide the wiper arm down as you unlatch it. So that's all there really is to taking these off. Some manufacturers are a little more difficult. I have another video you can see that I'll put in the description that has a different cap on the top. But for the most part, you're just bringing in the new one, and all you're going to do is latch it back on. So you're going to kind of come in here from behind, and you're just going to lift it up into that little hook, and you're going to push up. Some of them click, some of them just get real snug. This one didn't actually click, but just make sure that it goes up into its place like that firmly. Next, put down the cap and click it into place and drop the arm back down. So it's that simple. I'll show you again on the passenger side, and it's really the same thing. You'll lift it up and basically turn that blade somewhat vertical or horizontal, push down on the tab and just walk it downward however you need to get it off, and then just unhitch it. Okay, it just comes down and unloops like that. And now we're going to just grab our new one here, remove the little covering. Okay, and same thing, we're just coming to come in from behind here and lock it up into its place. And so some of these click, again, some of them just make sure it's all the way in, and then the cap will come down on it. So it's that easy. Sometimes the kit also comes with different attachments if your wiper arm is different, but for most vehicles, that's how you change wiper blades. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.